you gotta go crazy again. I already spent $300 on photos. I gotta quit.
So the more pictures I take, the more we spend. There we go.
Oh,
Hi, Braylon.
look at that.
Here, I'll cover this here on this side first.
I can deal with this.
He said, oh, that's
Too bad.
warm. It makes me want to pee my pants.
Bless you. Yeah, thank you. Look at that. You're in heaven, aren't you, buddy? Here's the best part of a haircut. We'll see.
Likes a little booger in his nose.
You're all fair, I think.
His belly button is probably going to be off by tonight.
Let's hope so. He's turning black.
Okay, then somebody's gonna grab
He doesn't mind this at all. I think he kind of likes it.
That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Like a lot of things that
Such
we do that most babies would be upset at.
Such a happy baby.
Baba, look at you.
Yeah.
Smiling. Where's Grandma?
And then there's some other one that's in
He's over here. Hey, what's up, Beavers?
Don't you like that cup? Oh, yeah, I do a lot.
Woof. Oh, woof.
Hey, I think it makes it easier.
Woof.
I'll get a, I'll try to eat it, yeah. Get it warm.
Hi, buddy. He just waved to me. Oh, another wave.
Hey, let's get some curls.
There you go.
Curls
Look at that cute little guy. Jeez. Jeez, that is cute. Nothing but cuteness, buddy.
See that his eyes are flaring up?
I know.
Yeah, I'm
Try not to breathe in your face.
He's a handsome boy.
Yeah.
What a handsome boy. Okay, I gotta get to work now.